Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make root beer using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients and equipment, which are likely already in your kitchen. Next, we'll combine everything and bottle it up. Finally, I'll show you how to properly carbonate your root beer so it's perfectly fizzy and ready to enjoy. This simple process ensures a tasty, refreshing drink every time. To begin, you'll need a good quality root beer extract, about 2 cups of sugar, and 2 gallons of water. For bottling, gather several clean, empty plastic soda bottles with secure caps. You'll also need a large pot for mixing and a long spoon or whisk. Making sure all your equipment is clean is crucial for a successful batch of root beer. First, dissolve 2 cups of sugar in about 2 cups of hot water in your large pot. Stir until the sugar is completely dissolved. Then, add 2 tablespoons of your root beer extract to this warm sugar solution. Once combined, pour in the remaining 1 3/4 gallons of cold water. Mix thoroughly, then carefully fill your clean plastic bottles, leaving about 1 inch of headspace. To carbonate, add about 1/4 teaspoon of active dry yeast to each 2-liter bottle. Cap them tightly and store them at room temperature for 2 to 3 days. Check the bottles daily. Once they feel firm when squeezed, they are carbonated. Immediately refrigerate them to stop further fermentation. Serve your delicious, fizzy root beer chilled for the best taste.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.